Hi everyone, it's Brandon from All American Thrills. You're watching our brand new construction update of Total Mayhem at Six Flags Great Adventure. There you can see this is where the Fort Independence Aqua Theater used to be, that very large theater, which is now pretty much completely demolished, and there's just a lot of the debris that remains. You can see very large piles of rubble here, what little is left of the Aqua Theater, as they are working to clear all of that out. With the Aqua Theater, Fort Independence now removed, it really shows how much space there is in that area for Total Mayhem. It's just a very large plot of land. It really opens up that area along the water, so you'll really see the lake and have much better access to get closer to the lake now with Fort Independence and the grandstand gone. So we're up on the sky right now to get that view from above. There is where the grandstand used to be, now totally flattened out, and all of the remains of that now appear to be pretty much gone. Some of the fall foliage coming in as we are now, approaching November and the end of Fright Fest, really starting to see the leaves changing and falling down. And now there you go, there's where our update was earlier, from the ground, from the sky right now. What is left of Fort Independence? Just some rubble. And that is where Total Mayhem is going to be going. So it's going to be amazing right along the water. Alright everyone, thanks for watching this construction update of Total Mayhem. Make sure you subscribe to All American Thrills here on Alt View. Like All American Thrills on Facebook, follow on Twitter and Instagram, and visit allamericanthrills.com to talk about Total Mayhem. Thanks for watching. We will see you next time, everyone. Bye-bye.